this. Okay.
Okay.
I get too carried away. Whoa. Look at the movement, baby girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Melanicious, your favorite melanated content creator, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Niawigs. Now, if you watched my other video, it was a yaki straight black wig, and today we have something a bit different in store. I'm so excited to show you guys. Let's start unboxing. So this is the packaging. It has such a lovely purple box. It just looks so luxurious. I love it. And you have a bag, and underneath you have all of your different headbands, and inside you have the wig. Really good because you can store your wig inside this bag as well. This headband wig in 22 inches. As you can see, it has a lovely highlighted honey blonde sort of color, and it's really soft. It smells quite nice too, like it smells like really clean. This color is a bit of me. This color, ooh, whoa. Hold on. Just hold on. Hold up. What I love most about this, they've actually highlighted the wig properly. It's not like one of them wigs where you ask for a highlighted wig and then it's like really thick chunked stripes of blonde. Like, I really hate that. I can't stand it. I love how this is like properly highlighted. Oh, sis. Okay. I get too carried away. Was this like animal print one? I really am in love with this color right there. I think because I've seen a Pretty Little Thing co-ord that I know would go with it. A bit of oil. I've got like a little bit left. It's not gonna make it sticky, but it's gonna give it like a really nice smooth luster to it. This color is absolutely amazing. All a bit of me, baby girl. I am loving this. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. Ugh, the softness, the luster. Oh my gosh, nah, I'm in love. This is a headband wig. So this hairstyle literally took me like 4 seconds to do. No lace, no glue, no stress, baby. Let's just take this in. Look at the movement, period. This one better than the first leopard print one. At first I thought these two were the same, but this one's a bit more spaced out. I really like this. Oh yes, sis, absolutely. 2 inches. It comes like down. Stretch length is almost to my lower back. Yeah, it's pretty long. It comes up to like around my elbow, I would say. This is a separate pack. There's this one here. I'm gonna go for this one first just because I've had my eye on it for so long. Oh, this is cute. I feel like with a different outfit, with like a white like loungewear sort of co-ord, this will look so nice. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I didn't know this one would be this nice. I really like this. I like this a lot. I see myself on a holiday taking pictures. Like, I think this one might be better than the first leopard print one that I said that I really like. This is actually low-key my favorite so far. This is the grey one. I love how like just simple the grey one is. Like, this one you can literally just wear it with anything and it will go. I love this. Oh yes. I think in first place we have the grey one, then the tropical one, and then the leopard print one. That's my top 3. Yeah, also guys, can we take in how nice this would be in a ponytail too? Like, I've been considering getting a ponytail for the longest time, and this could actually be my I don't have a hairband, but can you see the vision? Okay, that's all from me today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below what your favorite headband was, and also let me know what you think of this color. I really like it. Like, let me know what you think of these wigs, and be sure to check out their website. It's niawigs.com. They have so many different styles available, and each and every single wig, well, headband wig, it comes with a different selection of headbands, and you get to decide which one you want. And there's just so much variety. It's literally amazing. So easy to put on in the morning and go. This actually needs to become normalized. Normalize headband wigs being the standard everyday wigs. No hassle, super versatile. What more can you ask for? Make sure to check out my other video, which is a Yaki straight headband wig, if you liked this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also turn post notifications on so you know when I'm posting and what I'm posting. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.